Olives, welcome to a realistic week of curly hair. It's Monday today, it's wash day. I'm going to take you through my styling routine and then update you each day on how the curls are holding up and show you a realistic week, see if they last, see if they don't. I get a lot of questions about how I make my curls last throughout the week because curly hair is notorious for just frizzing up so quickly and so easily, even if you put a lot of effort into your wash days. So I'm going to give you my best tips on how to maintain and keep the curls looking nice throughout the week. I do have a lot on this week. We've got some work events, we've got a lot of exercising. It's raining today, so I really don't know how it's going to go. My hair might be ruined by tomorrow. In the shower, I use the Pureology Hydrate range, the shampoo and conditioner. I'll link all the products that I use down below on my Amazon storefront. For today's leave-in, I'm going to use the Bounce Curl Avocado Rose Oil and Clump Define Cream. I love the Bounce Curl products, and I'm going to be using a new brush that I got from them. If you haven't watched my last vlog, I tried out their defining brush and I love it, so I can't wait to use it again. Just dampening my hair a bit. I like to put a lot of conditioner because my hair is typically very dry. My hair feels really hydrated and soft just from that shampoo and conditioner. I'm kind of in a rush today because I have a Zoom call with a big hair care brand shortly at 3 o'clock. So I'm gonna try dry my hair and be ready before that. Don't forget the back of your head. And yes, it's normal for hair to come out while you're raking your hands through your hair. As long as it's not, a concerning amount of hair falling out, that's pretty normal. I'm going to use the Bounce Curl Light Hold Cream Gel as my gel today. And same thing, I'm just going to rake it all over my hair. So my hair is nice and coated with the cream and the gel. I'm going to part my hair slightly to the left using this Bounce Curl Dividing Brush. And like my last vlog, I'm just going to use the brush the same way, going underneath, dragging out with tension and then folding it downwards towards the ends of the hair. And then scrunching the curls. And just going along the top of my head and doing the same thing. This brush separates the curls really nicely. You can do your whole head with the brush if you have time, and just make sure you go over pieces that tend to get frizzy because that will help define them more. Going underneath, creating tension as you pull down and twist. Shake, 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 and then scrunch. Now that I'm more active on my YouTube channel, please feel free to leave requests down below in the comments of what kind of videos you want to see from me, makeup tutorials, more curl tutorials, any specific themes you want to see, let me know. I'll probably take a little break from posting when it's closer to the wedding, but for now, my mental health is okay. I'm not too overwhelmed yet. Scrunch, scrunch, scrunch. Now I'm just scrunching up the curls to make sure everything's nice and tight and bouncy. I should have done this at the start. I keep forgetting to do this as the first thing, but this is the heat protectant spray from Evo. These are the styled curls. They're looking pretty good. I'm going to update you when my hair is dry. And as always, using my Dyson Supersonic to dry. Here are the curls. The definition is so good. After I finished diffusing, I also sprayed a lot of hairspray so we can hopefully get some long-lasting curls this week. They feel very crisp and yeah, very defined. They feel quite hard from the hairspray, which I personally don't mind because it means they're probably going to last longer. I just have this weird short hair that always just does something weird. But yeah, I'm very happy. I just finished a meeting and now I'm going to shoot a couple TikToks because I've run out of things to post for the week, so I want to have something to post for tomorrow. And my friend is coming over after dinner time to try on some dresses and stuff for the bridal shower and the wedding. When I say friend, I mean maid of honor, but yeah. I'm gonna shoot and then have dinner, then see my friend, and I will show you my hair in the morning when I take my bonnet off. I sleep with a bonnet and I linked it on my Amazon storefront down below. See you soon. Morning! I prefer the ones with this drawstring and I usually just tuck it in because I've tried the other ones where it's like a tie or it's just an elastic, but they always fall off in the middle of the night. Don't get me wrong, this one kind of falls off sometimes, but most of the time if I tie it tight enough, it stays on. Let's do the Tuesday curl reveal. The ends are looking nice and shiny and defined. This is what we're working with. I'm happy with that. The curls look lovely. There's a few funny bits like that one. I just realized today is like a horrible day for curls and I shouldn't have washed my hair yesterday, but I had to do content. I've got Pilates now in the morning and then I'm doing an infrared sauna in the afternoon, which I sweat a lot in. I've only done it once before, but it was very, very sweaty. So we'll have to see how I can revive the curls after that. Hopefully I don't have to fully wash them. It depends how much I sweat. Hopefully I can just use a bit of dry shampoo. For Pilates, because there's a lot of lying down on the reformer, I always just do a pineapple on the top of my hair. I really don't care what I look like at Pilates. I'm usually it's just the most comfortable because I'm not gonna do a low ponytail or anything because it's a lot of like rubbing on the back of your head. And when I want to keep the curls really nice, I try to just do a ponytail and let them be loose rather than like tying a tighter bun. Yeah, I get a lot of questions about how to protect your curls when you're working out. I think just a loose hairstyle is the best option. Even not wearing, like, don't put a cap on, don't put headbands on if you really want to try preserve the curly pattern. I'll update you tonight after the sauna. It's the end of the day, I've just showered and it's time for a hair reveal, but I'm pretty sure it's ruined. It's been through exercise, sweat, it's been raining all day, it's been rained on, it's been through a sauna, and Fabian and I just went for a walk and it was kind of drizzling. It's definitely a lot more frizz happening, especially at the back, but I think it's still salvageable. Like there's some frizzy ringlets that have totally frizzed out now. I'm going to put my bonnet on now, go to bed. In the morning, I'm going to try revive it because I have a work event to go to. White Fox Boutique's having like an active wear launch and they're doing Pilates as an event. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with my hair because I don't want to just wear it out if we're going to be exercising. For skincare, I'm going to use the Allies of Skin Multipeptides Advanced Lifting Serum. I've been trying this one out. It's a new one that I was sent. And I was also sent this Dr. Naomi Plump Fiction Anti-Aging Moisturizer, which I've been really liking. And I've been skipping oils since I got eyelash extensions because putting oils on your face can make the extensions fall out quicker. And I don't want to keep going to get infills. So no oils, just a serum and moisturizer at night. Good night. Morning! My bonnet fell off, so most of the night I was just sleeping with my hair everywhere. So this is what we're working with, but I think I'm gonna tie it up because we are working out and it is very hot today. And I'm gonna add a headband. I'm gonna use a scrunchie. I just get mine from the dollar store. I'm gonna pull out two curly bits. Pulled out two curly bits from the middle of my scalp, and I'm just gonna use my hands to get all my hair up and tie a ponytail. Not sure what color headband, white or this tan brown. That's the hairstyle. I'm just gonna spray some of the bun, the frizzy bits, with some water. I'm gonna use this Bondi Boost Curl Boss cream and just scrunch that into the bun, especially the back frizzy bits. And I'm gonna add a bit of this Cantu Shea Butter gel that I always use in all my TikToks and Reels and add that to these front bits just so they stay in place throughout the day. I'm gonna let this dry a bit while I do my makeup and I'll be back. This is the fit for the event. They sent me this really cute active set. I love how the top has inbuilt padding and I love the color. I'm gonna be wearing this a lot to Pilates. White socks, New Balances, ready to go. And let's do a hair check. My scalp is definitely pretty dirty just from the exercise this morning and being out and about. We went to get a nice lunch after the event, me and T. I'm not going to fix the hair now because I'm just at home for the rest of the night. Tomorrow morning I have Pilates again and then I think I'm going to the beach so I can show you how I care for my hair at the beach. And I have an eyelash appointment and then I have a dinner. My natural hair still looks pretty good. I will update you in the morning. Morning! So I'm back from Pilates and I'm going to go to the beach. but just doing a hair check. They actually look alright. I've just been wearing a loose ponytail this whole week, so I think if you're wondering how they look, still pretty intact. That's it. There's no brush that's been used. I've just used my hands to rake my hair into a loose ponytail whenever I want to tie it up. But yeah, it's Thursday today. I washed it on Monday, so this is day 4. And again for the beach, I think I'm just gonna tie it into a loose ponytail on the top of my head. I could add a headscarf as well, but I think I'll get too hot. Let's go to the beach each. Morning! I'm filming on my phone because my camera died. Last night I went out to dinner and I didn't know what to do with my hair. I was in a rush getting ready, so I slicked it back into a bun. I did the unthinkable. I could feel my little hairs breaking as I slicked my hair back. So yeah, I think the curls are far from being able to be revived. And also my scalp is really dirty, so I just feel a bit gross from all the stuff I did this week, from the exercise and the sauna and the beach. So today is wash day. Today is Friday. If I wasn't shooting content today, I'd probably just leave it and be lazy, but I want to shoot a video for my reels and TikTok, and I want to have nice fresh curls for that. I'll get back to you after the shower. Okay, so shampoo, I use the Bondi Boost Curl Boss range. And conditioner, I use the John Frieda Frizz Ease Dream Curls. Good combo. For cream today, I'm going to try out the Ori Lab Curl Cream with flannel, flour, rice protein, wild rosella. I don't think I've tried this one before. And then I'm going to spray first with the Heat Protect spray from Bondi Boost. And then for gel, I'm going to use the Ceremonia Styling Gel. Let's spray first with the Heat Protect spray. Apparently it's good to spray this first, so it actually soaks into the hair and protects the hair once you're diffusing. Because if you spray it on last, it's kind of layering on top of everything you've already applied. Curl cream, just glazing this everywhere. Gel time. I like this gel because it's very tacky. It's got quite a strong hold, and it kind of creates a nice cast around the curls. I'm gonna scrunch. I'm interested to see how this curl cream performs because I haven't used it all over my hair on wash day. I've used it more as like a styling in between wash day product. I'm going to part my hair slightly to the left as always. These combs are really good. They're very thin, so they're really good at parting and doing sleek styles. I'll link it on my Amazon. And my new go-to favorite, the Bounce Curl Define brush. Styled curls, looking good. I'll get back to you once I've diffused. I'm gonna say the cream that I used on the first wash day of the week on Monday is probably better than this one that I used. It just doesn't feel as hydrated and the ends are kind of a bit more fluffy. The top is very defined. Overall the curls look good. I just feel like the ends are a bit more fluffy and dry than what I would want. I got my nails done for my bridal shower and they look so cute. I bought these flower gems off Amazon and then went to my regular nail place and they stuck them on for me. I'm shooting some content now, and then tonight I'm going out to a party with my friends for our modeling agency. It's kind of like a New Year celebration party, so it'll be fun to hang out with my friends a bit, so I'll take you along to that. Just finished my content and my hair just looks really frizzy and dry. I don't know what's going on. I feel like it's my nails as well. Like the little gems are getting caught on every hair strand and like frizzing them out. It just feels really dry. It shouldn't be this dry on wash day. So I don't know what to do. I might have to brush my hair back, guys. On wash day, what a waste. So you saw that I slicked my hair back last night. I just don't understand how that wash day went so wrong. The hair was so dry, and it's even more dry today and messed up. This is what we're working with. So as you can see, My hair by the end of the week is definitely not as nice as it looks on social media. I just finished my bridal shower speech because I just want to say a little thank you and talk about the special women in my life. So yeah, it's too emotional, this whole wedding business. I will vlog my bridal shower, so make sure to subscribe if you want to see that. Thank you for watching this whole vlog. Let me know if you like this style of vlog. Did you see my little intro? How cute! I've always wanted one of those little avatars in my YouTube intro. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.